In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Disney Plus verification problem. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable network connection and try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or your mobile data. Once you've done that, you want to also double check for typos and make sure that you are using an active email address or phone number. Also check your inbox or spam folder. What you want to do is the verification email might have simply went over to your spam, junk, or promotions folder, and add Disney Plus to your contact in order to go ahead and prevent this. If that doesn't work, you want to also try resending the verification link. You can click on resend email or resend SMS, and that should go ahead and fix your problem. Also, verification links also expire after some time, so request a new link and use it immediately. Always ensure that you're never using VPN or proxies. You can also try updating the Disney application, and if nothing works, simply go to help.disneyplus.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.